I'm gonna be out all day. I'm gonna be doing something kind of physically active. I need something a little bit more secure. We all know about wig secures and wig grips, and we're fans. We love it. No notes. We use them on a regular basis. But sometimes, just sometimes, you want to make sure that your lace is laying as flat as it can, that it is attached to your head. You don't have to worry about any sort of adjustments throughout the day, whatever it may be, honey. I got you covered. Now, trust the process, okay? Go ahead, go to Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, Target, Amazon, whatever. Get some Got2b spray. It is the Blasting Freeze Spray, okay? Stick with me. For today's purposes, I'm gonna put a wig cap on, so those with hair kind of get the process down. Typically, I wouldn't be doing this. My perimeter is out, because obviously you don't want your wig cap showing through your wig. All you need is a blow dryer, your Got2b spray, a rat tooth comb, and some sort of tight headband or strap or wrap that you would be able to put on your head temporarily. Some people use a bandana, scarf, whatever, anything. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna spray the perimeter. We're going to blow dry so it starts to get tacky, okay? I'm working from home today because Jack doesn't start school until Wednesday. Real fun. So Spider-Man may pop in and out of frame. All right, it's starting to feel tacky. So stop yourself. Grab your spray again and go along the perimeter. And I mean like sideburns, you know, go your perimeter. She's real nice and tacky, okay? Grab your wig. You can also do this process starting out with the wig still on your head and just simply roll the wig front back. I like to clip my hairs out of the way. Make sure your hairline is far enough back. Just when you think it's far enough back, it's not. Pull it back more. Make sure this perimeter is flawless. Yes, Spider-Man. Since the spray is tacky enough, you can literally push it down into position and it should stay. Now there may be some areas that look unglued or dry. Let's just go ahead and spray those. It's okay if you touch the hair. Or go ahead and just grab your wrap that I mentioned earlier. I'm just using my wig secure. It really doesn't matter. You're gonna just put it tight as you can, okay? And then let that sit, I'd say about 5 minutes. 10 if you really want it. All right, let's see what you got. Oh, wow. Oh, high five. Please gently remove whatever you use to wrap your hair down. Now, you're gonna take your comb. Well, first off, yeah, let's just kind of brush. Any crazy hairs that got stuck, you wanna pull them back so they're not stuck on your forehead. Yes, Spider-Man. Wow. Honey, I don't know if you can see or not, but my lace is melted and it's stuck. It's not going anywhere at all whatsoever. Now, don't get me wrong. If I want it to go anywhere, it is a very simple process. All you have to do is get a squirt bottle with water in it, saturate your hairline, and voila, it comes off. You get any buildup on your wigs, wash it like normal. But this is literally as secure as it can get. It's as if you are getting an install professionally done. Remember to go all the way down, fully around your perimeter, and let it dry. And of course, make sure it's tacky before you relayer or apply your wig. Honey, we are good to go for the day. Me and Spider-Man can go run around the city, and she's not going anywhere, okay? Hopefully this was helpful. We'll see you next time with Wig Outlet 411, series from home, sometimes.